This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Eclairs Toffee at home. Start by gathering flour, butter, eggs, sugar, cream, and a candy thermometer, then preheat the oven to 200 degrees C. Make chew dough by heating water and butter, stirring in flour, and beating in eggs until smooth. Pipe uniform logs, bake until golden and hollow, and cool completely before filling. Warm and friendly. Heat water and butter until boiling, then stir in flour quickly until a smooth dough forms. Remove from heat and beat in eggs one at a time until glossy and pipeable. Transfer to a piping bag with a large round tip and pipe 2 to 3 inch logs on a lined tray. Bake at steady heat until puffed, golden, and dry inside, then cool fully on a rack. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like, it really helps. Quick recommendation. Bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for hands-free timers, music, and recipe prompts while you bake. It's compact and sounds great in the kitchen. I find it keeps the mood upbeat and the timing accurate. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. For a warm, conversational guide, melt sugar slowly until it reaches deep amber, then carefully whisk in cream and butter to form silky toffee. Cool slightly until thick but still pourable for coating, and reserve a portion for piping inside. Whip cream lightly if you want a softer interior, then fill shells using a small tip or cut and spoon in toffee. Finish by glazing the tops and letting set briefly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.